Hey fashionistas, I've got something super exciting to share with you today. If you're like me and constantly on the hunt for the perfect pair of shoes, you're going to love what I've discovered. It's a brand new women's footwear brand called Stepy. And let me tell you, they are changing the game. Stepy isn't just any shoe brand. What sets them apart? It's their commitment to not only style, but also customization. Imagine having a shoe that not only fits your foot perfectly, but also your style, season, and outfit. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Stepy makes it a reality. Now, whether you're a boots kind of gal or if heels are more your speed, Stepy has got you covered. Their range is impressive, featuring everything from sleek stilettos to cozy, chic flats. And the best part? The customization. You can choose from an array of colors and designs to match whatever look you're going for. Going to a summer wedding? There's a Stepy shoe for that. Need something sturdy yet fashionable for the winter months? Stepy's got your back. But it's not just about looking good. Comfort is key, right? Stepy has integrated innovative technology in their soles to ensure that you can rock their shoes all day long without that dreaded footache. And yes, they are as durable as they are gorgeous. Let's talk variety. Stepy understands that fashion is ever-changing. That's why they offer seasonal collections to ensure you're always on trend. Floral patterns for spring, earth tones for fall, and vibrant colors to brighten up those dark winter days. Stepy plans their collections with the fashion calendar in mind. So, if you're ready to step up your shoe game and want to wear footwear that truly expresses who you are, you definitely need to check out Stepy. Trust me, your feet and your wardrobe will thank you. Before I sign off, just imagine walking into a room and knowing no one else has shoes quite like yours. That's the Stepy Promise unique style, unbeatable comfort, and all the colors of the rainbow to choose from. So, are you ready to step into your new favorite shoes? I know I am. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion finds and insider tips. Keep strutting that unique style of yours, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!